Greetings everyone. In today's Walk the Talk, we will be talking about will AI create more opportunities or it will take the existing ones too. For that, we have our friend Ritik. How are you, Ritik?
Good, sir. Good.
He will be telling us more about this topic. So Ritik, what is your opinion about that?
Hello, everyone. My name is Ritik, and today's our topic is: Will AI affect opportunities in future, or rather create new ones? AI means artificial intelligence. It is used in many sectors and places like mobiles, computers, offices, and hospitals. Some people think that AI will affect jobs in futures, while others think that it will create more and new ones. Let's talk about this.
So people think that it will create more opportunities or that. So what do you feel about that?
Yes, definitely it will. Like prompt engineering. It is a new field. It is generated because of AI. We have to generate a prompt and enter it to get the response from an artificial intelligence or any other software related to AI. So there are many sectors like data engineering, business analysts, prompt engineers, which are created because of AI. So these are new sectors. In my opinion, AI is a helper, not the enemy itself.
So you think that it will create more opportunities, but what about if it's going to take the ones we have right now?
In my opinion, AI can only do repeated work, and it is necessary to to engage a human so that we can get a response from an AI software. So people think that AI will take jobs. No, 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 no. It will only help as a helper. It is required a human to get any response from AI. It is now we are seeing nowadays that there are many opportunities which are created because of AI. So in future also, I know some jobs may be affected because of AI, but there are more and many more which will be created because of AI only.
So how do you think AI is going to help people?
AI means artificial intelligence. It is used in hospitals. Like doctors use AI to find diseases and scans and read other scans as well. Students use it to get better understanding of their education or whatever they are studying. And in offices, AI is used to manage inventory and other machine related works. So yeah, if you see, AI is helping us in many sectors.
As you just mentioned about that, it's going to help students.
Yes.
So being a student, how do you feel AI is going to help us?
Uh, AI help us to think out of the box. By if we use AI, we can do better in any assignment or any project we are given by our teachers. Uh, it help us to get a new topic and to broaden up the topics and brief about anything which we don't know or which we don't get in classes. Like it is used to solve questions and anything in this planet because it is trained on a highly big big data, uh, which is why it is able to generate such responses for students and offices and hospitals and many more places.
But as in modern times, we have noticed people are just becoming slaves of AI. Like if we get a task, so we just take it and put it on ChatGPT or any AI software to just get the answer of it. So is it not taking away the creativity?
Uh, See, there are always two sides of it. Some people use it to get better, to improve themselves, and some people just use it to cheat. It is on us how we gonna use it. There are misuses of many things which we use in today's world, but there are more uses of it in a positive way, not in negative way. Students used to cheat and uh, student used to cheat, and in workplaces employees use AI to just get off the work on the head. So yeah, uh, some people uh, some people usually uh, misuse the software, but it is not fully accurate that all the people around us do it. So
Like it has both sides. Like if
has
you can
both
get
sides,
positive
yes.
impacts too and negative impacts
Yes,
too.
yes, exactly.
But does it also help organizations?
yes, in certain ways, AI help organizations.
How does it help organizations? In which way?
To analyze their future predictions and all, AI will use in offices. Thank you.
So I think we should conclude that AI is beneficial for us
Mm-hmm.
if we take it as a good thing only. If we just fully rely on it, it's going to obviously take away all the jobs and
It
work.
will ruin us.
Okay. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.